So the manual doesn't really show a good way of getting this roller cover out of here. It goes up under the fairing there that I have to take off to get to the steering head to take the steering dampener off and drop the steering head. Anyway, you're going to take the screws out. There's like 10 screws in here. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 screws basically. And it still won't come out then. What happens is on the bottom here, your brake lines go through here. Well, you can't pull it down, so what you have to do is on the metal part of the line, you kind of have to snake it through the side here to get it out. And once you do that, you just kind of pull down on it and it'll come out. I was fighting with it and fighting with it. Tore out all the screws out, and it ended up just being the brake lines holding it up. So dumb on my part, but like I said, the manual doesn't really show that. So you're going to pull the lower off of here. That's just straight up screws, come right off. Pull this cover off here, take all the screws out. There's up under here, on the sides here, one up in the center, right here, right there. And snake the brake lines loose and it'll pop right out. Let me take the bolts off of this steering dampener here.